Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase the lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs on the headlights. To change the bulbs on the dipped beams, remove the cover on the bodywork side, turning the clip towards the centre of the vehicle. Take the plastic base in your fingers and pivot it a quarter turn to the left. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new bulb. Put the new one into the plastic base. Put everything back into the light compartment and lock it in place by making a quarter turn clockwise. Put the cover back on the lights and lock the clip in place. To replace the light bulbs on the full beams, the side lights and the indicators, remove the cover on the radiator side, pulling on the plastic tab. For the full beams, take the light bulb board and make a full rotation anti-clockwise. Everything should come out easily. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new one into the plastic base. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To replace the bulbs on the indicators, take the bulb board and make a turn anti-clockwise. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helped you, like and subscribe.